Once upon a time in a village, there was a beautiful mango tree. This tree was a home to many birds and animals. The birds loved the tree and it provided them with shade, shelter, and delicious mangoes for eat. Some little children loved to come and play around it every day. They climbed to the tree top, ate the mangoes, and took a nap under the shadow. They loved the tree, and the tree loved to play with them. And if they felt hungry, they would pluck and eat the delicious mangoes. One day, two woodcutters came there, carrying their sharp axe. They spotted the mango tree and decided to cut down. The birds and the children were so scared, and they cried and said, "Don't cut the tree! Don't cut the tree!" But they cut the tree, and the mango tree fell to the ground. And they took the mango tree from there. After cutting the tree, all were so sad. At that time, one of the kids said, "Why are you crying? Instead of crying, why can't we plant a new mango tree?" Then the other kid said, "Wow, that's a great idea." Then they went in search of new mango tree. They got a new mango tree and they decided to plant the tree in the same place. After seeing the new mango tree, the birds and the animals were so happy and they decided to take care of that mango tree. From this beautiful skit, we are getting the message: save trees, save nature. Thank you.